Hello lovely peoples, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari, where we keep you updated with all the latest happening in the education world. And today we have some exciting news for all the CBSE counselor, principal, teacher, student and parents out there. In observance of World Mental Health Week from 4th October to 10th October 2024, CBSE is organizing another virtual conclave on 4th October 2024. This initiative is part of a broader effort to promote mental health awareness and support within a school community across country. The topic included in this conclave are global support system for school mental health, exploring the best practices and innovative approaches, strategies for supporting students with psychosocial challenges, fostering emotional resilience and adjustment through collaboration between teacher, counselor, and families. Leadership in mental health, highlighting the vital role of a school principal in creating a supportive and inclusive environment. Aligned with the vision of National Education Policy NEP 2020, this session aims to empower school leader and counselor to address student psychosocial need effectively by enhancing professional skill through training, development, and the exchange of best practices. The conclave underscores the importance of mental health in achieving holistic education goal. Now let us see the event detail. It will be organized on 4th October, Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Participation link is given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. CBSE encouraged the maximum online participation of all principal, head of affiliated school along with their school counselor, teacher and wellness educator in this virtual conclave. Please note that participation is limited to 1,000 participants from CBSE schools, available on first come first serve basis. For those unable to attend, they can watch the recording of this conclave. I will update the link of the recording in this comment section as well as in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Mark your calendar, spread the word to your friends and get ready for learning, growth and inspiration. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting update. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now.